Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today we're doing a glamorous, fancy holiday makeup for Christmas. And yeah, I already got my base on, so foundation and contouring is done. We focus now on the eyes, and I hope you enjoy it. We're starting with a light brownish color in the crease and build that up with more brownish to really red color. The last red color I use is from the Saharan palette from UVS. And then we are building up a cut crease and fill that one in with gold. I used from Absolute New York some gold gel and some gold eyeshadow I topped over that. Then of course a black eyeliner, and over that black eyeliner I put some gold liner, and on the lower lash line I did some green. I used the lashes from Mondo in the style Dreamer. And now some highlighter, first some fixing spray, and now we can glow. Some Jouer lip gloss, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I see you in the next video, and please like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment everything you want to say to me. Follow me on Instagram, it's @shaptidope, and I wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, and see you in the next one. Bye.